How to find best Remitly discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save up money and paying for a specific amount of the fee if you're going to be using Remitly. So first is of course, before you go ahead and execute any transaction in Remitly or even log in into your account, you're going to have to find a working discount code. So of course, open up your preferred web browser, create a new tab, and then go into this website that's going to be couponchief.com. Once you're here, go into this box and type in Remitly. They usually located at the very first. And then as you can see, they only have one specific deal or discount promo code, which is to send money online, order now, and get 5% cash back. So for you to be able to take advantage with this specific discount, click on this option here that says Get Deal for you to be able to get that unique code and paste it into Remitly. And that is how you find best Remitly discount promo code.